Good morning, students. How are you? I'm Sister Soumya. I'm teaching General Knowledge for 5th class. Topic is Strange Animals and Animals of Cold Region. First, we'll see Chapter 8 Strange Animals. Strange animals are not so familiar. Example of some strange animals are puffin, vicuna, raccoon. Some clues, pictures, and some animals' names also given in the lesson. We will see that names: otter, ibex, manatee, albatross, raccoon, puffin, armadillo, vicuna, platypus, okapi. First clue is they are semi-aquatic, playful, appear sliding on snow, muddy banks, fish-eating mammals having very soft, insulated underfur. Answer is otter. Second one, it is a wild goat found in the mountains. It has long curved horns and lives in herds. Answer is ibex. Third clue, the large marine animal spent all its life swimming and grazing at the bottom of the sea. Answer is manatee. It's also known as sea cow. It is large seabird which has the largest wingspan among all birds. Answer is albatross. How is that? Largest wingspan among all birds. Answer is albatross. Fifth clue is this nocturnal mammal has distinctive black mask-like face marking. Answer is raccoon. How is that face marking? Like a mask. Next clue, it is seabird easily identified by its large puffin and it loves to eat fish. Answer is puffin. How is identified easily to them? By its large puffin. Then what they eating? Fish. Seventh clue, it is a mammal found in North and South America. Its body is covered with bony plates. Answer is armadillo. How is their body? Body covered with bony plates. It is very harsh. It is found in South America and its wool is very expensive. Answer is vicuna. How is that wool? It is very expensive. Ninth clue, it is the only egg-laying mammal. Answer is platypus. Only egg-laying animal. Then 10th, it is easily identified by its zebra-like markings on its legs. Answer is okapi. How is that figure? Zebra lines, marking with the zebra line on its legs. Next lesson 9, animals of cold regions. Animals of cold region. Cold-blooded animals do not maintain a constant body temperature. They get their heat from outside environment. So their body temperature fluctuates based on external temperature. Example, reptiles, fishes and amphibians. Some cold region animals names are there in help box. Snowy owl, penguin, walrus, albatross, Arctic fox, caribou, orca, polar bear. In the lesson, some fill in the blanks along with a clue. We will see that. First one, the dash is the North American reindeer. It has a warm, very soft, hollow hair fur that gives insulation in winter. Answer is caribou. Caribou. Then second one, the dash is one of the biggest bear. They have fur that is made of hollow guard hairs. They feed on seals and other animals. Answer is polar bear. Polar bear. Third one, the dash have keen eyesight and great hearing. Females and young birds are brownish with dark spots and stripes. Adult male is completely white. Answer is snowy owl. Snowy owl. Fourth one, the dash is another animal of cold region. They mostly live in shallow water. Answer is walrus. Walrus. Where it is living? It is living shallow water in cold region. Fifth one, the dash is the largest seabird in the world. The wings of stiff and composed with thickened, streamlined, leading edges. Answer is albatross. Albatross. Which one is the largest seabird in the world? Albatross. Sixth one, the dash has beautiful white coat that acts as very effective winter camouflage. When the seasons change, the coat turns brown. Answer is Arctic fox. How is that coat? Beautiful white coats. When the season changes, its coat turn brown. It change the color. It become brown. Seventh one, the dash or killer whale is easily identified by its distinctive black and white body. It has dolphins, seals, penguin, and even other whales. Answer is orca. Orca or killer whale. How is its body? Distinctive black and white, like a penguin. We know that penguin is black and white, na? Like this orca. Eighth one, the dash is a bird which is an excellent swimmer, but it cannot fly. They feed on krill, fish, squid, and other forms of sea life. Answer is penguin. Penguin is excellent swimmer, but cannot fly. Students, do the assignment. First one, write 10 animals of cold region. Then second one is search strange animals and paste their pictures in your GK copy. Okay students? Okay, thank you.